8.2. A plane electromagnetic wave of frequency 25 megahertz is traveling in free space along x-axis at a particular point in space and time. Electric field equal to 3.6 J cap volt per meter. What is B at this point? What are the given data? Frequency is given and wave is propagating along x-axis. Magnitude as well as direction of electric field is given. First step, what's the relation between electric field and magnetic field? That is equal. Electric field divided by magnetic field equal to velocity of light. They are perpendicular to each other. So B equal to E by C or C equal to E by B. So C is velocity of light. First step, we'll find the magnitude of B. B equal to E by C, where E is 3.6 divided by this. So you are getting the magnetic field. What is the direction? So for direction, E cross B is the direction of propagation. All three are perpendicular to each other. Direction along propagation along x-axis, electric field along y-axis, magnetic field be along z-axis. And electric field is y direction because it is mentioned as j cap. So j cap cross magnetic field direction equal to I cap. So magnetic field is, so j cap cross something equal to I cap, it should be k cap. So direction of magnetic field is along z direction. Therefore, its magnitude 2.1 10 to the power minus 8 k cap Tesla.